A child finds a colorful object. Bright colors, soft texture, small enough to hold. It looks harmless, maybe even edible. Then comes one bite. The pod explodes, and within seconds, the emergency begins. Because laundry pods weren't designed to survive inside a human body. Let's follow the detergent. The pod membrane ruptures. Concentrated detergent sprays outward. Some enters the mouth. Some may be swallowed. Some may reach the airway. Some may splash into the eyes. Immediately, sensitive tissues become irritated. The mouth burns. The throat reacts. Coughing begins. Vomiting may follow. The eyes become painful. The child starts crying. Unlike ordinary soap exposure, laundry pods deliver a concentrated burst of detergent all at once. That's what makes them different. But here's the part many parents don't expect. The biggest danger may not be swallowing. It may be breathing, because some children aspirate detergent into the airway. And that's when the lungs become part of the story. Let's look at a real case. A toddler found a laundry pod beneath a sink. The pod looked interesting, colorful, soft. The child bit down. The pod burst. Detergent sprayed into the mouth and face. Within minutes, coughing began, then vomiting, then breathing difficulty. Doctors treated the child in the emergency department. Fortunately, the child recovered. But the event highlighted an important lesson. The injury wasn't caused by eating candy. It was caused by mistaking detergent for candy. Laundry pods are just soap. They contain highly concentrated detergent. Swallowing is the only danger. Eyes and airways can also be injured. One small bite can't cause much harm. One bite can release a large amount of detergent instantly. If a child bites a laundry pod, remove any remaining material. Rinse exposed skin. If detergent enters the eyes, flush with water immediately. Contact poison control or medical professionals. Watch for coughing, breathing difficulty, persistent vomiting, and seek urgent medical care if symptoms are significant. If you remember one thing from this video, remember this. The danger isn't the pod. It's what happens when it bursts.